Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download videos from Google Drive on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to download videos from your Google Drive on your phone, first open up the Google Drive on your phone. And after opening your Google Drive, guys, you will be on the suggested section of your Google Drive. Either you can tap on home to view all of your files like this. Either you can go to the file section over here where you will be able to organize your files. So that being said, guys, open up the project on which you had saved your videos over here, and after landing on the section, guys, open up the folder on which you had saved your videos. But for me, you can see there are a lot of folders over here. It can be anywhere. You can see all of the images I have saved. So with that being said, guys, I'll be getting back to the home section. The way to download the video in every one of these folders is same. Just tap and hold on it, and after that the three dotted icon at the top right corner appears. Tap on that three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll be able to find the download button over here. Just below the open with over here, you can see there is the download. Tap on download and that video will be downloaded. So you can see the notifications for your Google download progress. So let's download another thing over here, another video. Also, you can download it by just tapping on the three dotted icon at the right side of that video, and you can see the download button over here. Again, tap on download and that video will be downloaded like this as well. And there, guys, this is how to download videos from Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.